Everyone's grating eggplant. After seeing this genius idea, I'll start by grating this eggplant here, using the coarse side of the grater. Today, you'll learn one of the best ways to use eggplant. Take your time and grate it all. Next, I'll transfer everything to this strainer. I'll let all the water from the eggplant drain out. I'll reserve this water and move on to the next step. I'll place the eggplant into this bowl. I'll add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 100 grams of grated Parmesan, parsley to taste, half a cup of corn flour. I'll use a spatula to mix everything until the ingredients are well combined. I made this recipe yesterday for my friends, and they loved it so much they begged me to come here and teach it to you. It should have this texture. Very easy to make. Now I'll separate some portions and mold them into balls. Just do as I'm doing here. Repeat the process as many times as you like. I've prepared a bowl with breadcrumbs to coat the pieces. Make sure to cover them well. Yours should look like mine. The size of each piece is up to you. Once all the pieces are coated, I'll fry them. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. When you notice they're starting to turn golden, you can flip them to fry the other side. Look how beautiful they're turning out. The smell is incredible. Just looking at them is making me hungry. This is the perfect point. They're ready. Now, I'll transfer everything to a plate and try this delicious treat. Guys, I love this recipe, and I'm sure you and your whole family will love it too. I make it every weekend, and there's never any left. My family adores it and always asks me to make more. If you're enjoying this preparation method, you'll love my upcoming tips. I still have many other special recipe secrets to share with you little by little, so stay tuned to make sure you don't miss anything. Have you ever made a recipe with eggplant as one of the main ingredients? If you know any special tips, feel free to share. I'd love to hear them. Look how perfect it turned out. You can even use ketchup to enhance the flavor even more. I'm sure this recipe will become a classic in your home. It's impossible to make it just once.